Friends, you are welcome to my channel. In my previous video, we had learned how to work with Google Firebase. Today, we will learn how to work with Cloudinary media database. That is, here we can upload pictures. So, let me first tell you what is Cloudinary. So, here it's properly written. Cloudinary is an end-to-end image and video management solution for websites and mobile apps, covering everything from image and video uploads, storage, manipulations, optimizations to delivery. Cloudinary offers a full-featured free plan with a generous usage limit. Signing up takes only a few seconds. So, first of all, friends, we have to first create one project. So here we go. First, we have to enter the project name, that is working with Cloudinary. So in this project, basically what will happen? Cloudinary. Yes. So friends, in this project, basically what will happen? There will be one place where you can upload your photo. So you can upload photo from many devices. So it will show the last photo uploaded from any device. Suppose it's your mother's device, father's device, and any. So let's create. Today, two new components. That is one. Actually, we need a photo selector for showing these. We need a photo selector. It's termed as photo library, and we will learn media database. We will learn one more new thing, but it's not termed as a new thing because it's just user interface. That is web viewer. So now we can start. First of all, we have to add one column. As you know, before starting any project, we have to add one column. So today, first of all, I will set the background color. Yesterday, I forgot to do so. Let me set the color. For now, it's fine, but you can choose your color according to your preference, actually. So first, let's add one label. That is, here we will write choose your photo. Choose your photo. And as I told you that how to design the label in my last video, so I will show you once more how to design it. Font style, that is, we can make it italic to look good. Font weight, let's make it bold, so it will be more bold. Text align, there is text align the text. Border radius, let's say 5 with 2. These are my preferences. You can give according to your preference. I always tell this. So it looks nice for now. So we add one photo library. So I told you that we will learn one new thing, that is two new things. That is photo library and media database. Photo library. First, we will here add one button. So you will tell what is the work of photo library if you are adding a button. So I will tell you after some time. We will set the button, and here we will write choose your photo. Choose your photo. And let's design it first. Let's make it bold. You can do anything, italic, raised. I prefer only to make it bold. So let's do like this. And here we go. We will add the main component, this media database. So it's demanding us the cloud name, API key, API secret. So I will quickly tell you how to do this. Open a new tab and search for Cloudinary. So here we go. So you can see here it's written cloudinary.com. So first, if you're a new user, you have to register here. As I am not a new user, I will sign in. So please wait 2 minutes. I will sign in and will be back. There we go. We have successfully log in the Cloudinary. So if you don't have an account, you have to sign up and they will send you a confirmation email. So in that email, you have to click on the confirmation and they will log in automatically. So yeah, as you can see, the demanding things that the cloud name is here, API and everything. So first I will press Ctrl+C as copy. So I will edit the cloud name here and name it like this. And so after that API key, copy to clipboard. Here I will press the API key and now the API secret. So first we will reveal. So we can see on our own what's the API secret. Copy to clipboard and there we go. We have successfully constructed our Cloudinary. So now friends, let's add one web viewer to show the people the last photo. That is, we have to set one resolution. That is, either you have to set 250 into 250. That is, the resolution will be like this small image. We can tell one logo size image, and you can also set 512 into 500. But I think 250 is right. Actually, 250 is a very big size, and it's right, I think. So in this resolution, the user will see our previous photos. So I will add one column for spacing. I will add one column here, and I will do the absolute size as 10 for 20, I think, for some spacing, a little bit. I will duplicate this and will paste it here. So you can see how easy is that. So now we will go to the plot. So we have successfully completed the design. So this is choose your photo. So how to construct this? This is button 1, we know. When button 1 click, I told you that photo library will select the photo, right? So here in photo library 1 call select photo. So after that we have to construct one more thing, if, and you have to understand the logic and then you have to work on it to improve yourself. So here we go. Means if user did not cancel. So if the user did cancel or there is an error, so our web viewer will not work. So we have to do like this, and then we will call the media database. So I want to show you one thing, that we will search media database. So we will place on this question mark. Uploads an image to Cloudinary cloud and returns it. So they will upload the image here and also they will return its URL. So we will this is a web viewer, so we will set the URL here. So media database 1. So I want to just show you that it returns the URL of the image in media database 1 called upload. So I want to suggest and edit this. Here I want to write last image. It should be 20. I suggest the font size should be 20. You can make it bold. You can make it more than 25 or something else. That means you can do it according to your preference. So media will be. So let's do like this. Media ID. So let's make one cloud. Number. That is, first let's do one thing. Set it to 0. That is, the initial value should be 0. So when if did user cancel and not error, so we will increase the value by 1 to show app cloud number. This is a simple logic. I hope you understand this logic. Set app cloud number to app cloud number plus 1. This is a simple logic. So it will increase by 1 every time. And here goes, we have to do this app cloud number. And when upload is done, we have to show it in the web viewer. Set URL to media URL. So we have successfully completed, but we have to do something such edits to make it more beautiful. Suppose here we will write precaution asterisk And note, if you can't see the current photo, please refresh and reopen the app. So firstly we have to make the font weight bold, the color red, and the text align center. So there we go. You can design more if you want. I'm telling that you can design more if you want, but actually I think I have completed my work. And I also want to suggest an edit, that is here media called upload. Instead of giving the ID, you have to it's demanding us the media. So here you have to drag the photo from here and drag it there. So there we go. We have successfully completed the app. So I think we can download it now. So I will return in a moment after downloading the app. So I think I have already downloaded. So let's send it to my mother's mobile. Let's do it. And there goes my app. Let's send, and I will tell you when it's finished. I will cut the video from here. So friends, I want to show you the Android preview of the app. So here you can see in my mobile phone, I will open the application. And let me upload one picture and I will show you that the picture is going here. Let's wait for some time. Let's choose our photo. Let's upload one photo with laptop and one tea image. Let's reload and see, here comes our photo, and we can also see it in our mobile phone. So like this we can make many apps that will help us in future, and we can make apps like this. So friends, if you learn anything from this video, please like and share my video. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And one most important thing, I am also going to focus on coding for kids. So if you subscribe my channel, I will be very excited and will surely launch videos which is related to coding for kids. So friends, bye bye.